Finding your iPhone 16 serial number helps you access device-specific support, verify warranty status, and provide essential information when communicating with Apple support or carriers. Here's how to locate this information on the new iOS smartphone. To get started, go to the home screen and tap on the Settings icon. While in the Settings menu, scroll up or down and tap on General. To continue, tap on About. More details about your iPhone will load up on the next display. Finally, scroll to find Serial Number in the list and then take note of the number. You can touch and hold the serial number to copy and paste it to any supported text input applications like Messages or Notes. And that's it. Finding your iPhone serial number allows you to verify its authenticity or check its warranty status. This information is also often required for support services and carrier assistance. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more smartphone tutorials and troubleshooting guides.